Here we go.
Oh, what?
Mmm. Say, oh, I caught on to that chewing and swallowing thing quick.
Yeah.
I'm gifted. I'm gifted.
Yeah.
Mmm.
I'm getting a gift.
Oh, say, I'm good at eating. I knew you would be. I knew you would be with them little jowls. Yeah. Here we go, John.
Nate, where do you have both your socks? No, because one I think is right here.
Oh.
Don't let her.
Mmm. Mm.